Hey everybody, this is Rockney with Houston Kiteboarding. Right now I had a viewer request asking to make a video putting together the Hover Glide hydrofoil from Slingshot. So that's what we're going to do. Just going to show you how to put it all together, the nuts and bolts of everything. Okay, so we're going to start with the back wing. As you can see right here, this piece is going to just set right on the back right there. And then in the bottom of the wing there's this groove right here that fits in right there. So all you have to do, clicks right in, line it up. Hold on. There we go. Put the screw in. Start tightening it up. Second one. They also come with these really nice wrenches, Allen keys, with this nice rounded joint right here. That fits right in, makes it really easy to put together. They fit really nice. Okay, so we got the back wing on. Now this is the really cool part. The front wing just slides right on. Just like that. Okay, so we got the back wing, the front wing. Flip it over. We got one screw right here. What this one screw does is it holds the tail and the front wing together until we get these two screws put in. Once these two screws go in to the mast, everything will be really solid and hooked together. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to hook this to the shaft itself. Okay, so now that we got all of this put together, all we have to do is line up this hole with the base of the shaft. Goes right on. Go ahead and grab these screws. Start threading them in by hand. Get your Allen wrench. Okay, so if you did everything correctly, it should look exactly like this. If you're interested in buying one of these foils, call us at 281-508-6485 or contact us through email at sales@houstonkiteboarding.com. Thanks.